In this video, I'm going to tell you 10 ways that you can start affiliate marketing without any subscribers. Let's get started. Hello YouTube, it's Alston and welcome to my channel where I help you find success online. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to find different tips and tricks on how to find success online. Alright, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm actually going to give you 10 ways that you can start affiliate marketing today without any subscribers. Now, in this video, I'm already going to assume that you've already picked a niche and your platform are YouTube videos, hence the word subscribers. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you find different ways to add value. Don't do anything like sub for sub. You are going to go out, you're going to put in some hard work up front, you're going to add value, and you're going to get subscribers. So look at these 10 different ways. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to join subreddits based on your niche. Now, if you're not familiar with what subreddits are, there are basically smaller categories or smaller communities within Reddit. Reddit calls itself the front page of the internet. Basically, you can go to Reddit, find different subreddits on any given topic, and you can create content. Now, again, you want to make sure that you are adding value. You're going to want to just go in. You're not going to want to go in and spam links. You're going to want to go in, answer questions, ask a few questions that you possibly already know the answer to, and add value. Remember here, you're going to want to play the long game. You're not going to want to just go in, spam your links, and pop out because you're going to get banned, you're going to get blocked. Go in, add some value, answer some questions, build relationships, and then you can start putting in your adding in your YouTube channel and possibly gain subscribers. Now, if you do this correctly, Reddit and subreddits are a great way to gain a very good following. You can actually ask people what information they want to know. You can tell them to check out your content to see what they think about it. They can comment on your content, and you can actually grow your business and grow your YouTube channel and affiliate marketing very, very well. Now, with this method, you can do one of two things. You can actually send people directly to your YouTube channel. You can send people directly to your website and then have them click the link or whatever it is to grow your affiliate marketing business. But joining subreddits, I should say, is a great way to start growing your business. So that's way number one. Another thing you can do is you can actually create a subreddit. Now, most people go in as a participant, as a follower, we'll say. You could actually go in as a leader. Now, the process to create a subreddit can be a little bit murky. For example, I had been on Reddit for a number of years before I had the ability to create my own subreddit. But once I did, I actually started posting my YouTube videos there. And the great thing about subreddit and Reddit in general is that it's a search engine. So people are searching, for example, how to make money online. It's very possible that your post or your link can show up and people can click that link. So use the powers of Reddit and subreddit in those two forms. You want to create your own little subreddit. You want to make it niche specific, and create content and update content frequently so that when people use it as a search engine, you can get found. So that is way number two, create your own subreddit. Number three, and this is actually a great way, is answer questions on Quora. Now, Quora is very similar to Reddit, where you can actually where you can answer questions. There's like a forum, where there's a Q&A going back and forth where people ask questions and you can go in and answer them. Again, this Quora is broken down by niches, so you can look at an affiliate marketing niche. You can go into make money online niche. And one of the cool things with Quora is if you start answering questions there, you can post a link to either your email landing page, or you can actually post a link to your YouTube channel, and people will start following you on Quora, and they'll upvote every answer that you answer or post on Quora. So this is what you do. Create a Quora account, and you go in and you find questions that you can answer that are relevant and provide a lot of value. You want to make sure that you're doing 3, 4, or 5 paragraphs, and then at the bottom, add in a link to your YouTube channel or your most recent upload and have people click that link and watch the video. So this is a great way. Now, in the past month, we're in the month of August. In the past month, I have become one of the most viewed in the affiliate marketing topic or genre or sub-Quora, we can call it. I have gained a bunch of followers, and these followers will go in and they will upvote every single comment that you or answer that you post. And the cool thing about it is the more upvotes that you get, the higher that your answer will show up on the query. So people basically in Quora, they ask the same 10 or 15 questions in different ways. If you go in there and you answer questions and you get upvotes, your answer will appear at the top. And when people are looking at your answer, they can click on your YouTube video or your channel art or your channel link or whatever you post there. And then you can start gaining traction. You can start gaining followers. So using Quora, answer questions, provide a ton of value, add content, add value, just be very helpful, and you'll eventually start gaining traction. You'll gain followers, and you'll get people as another way to visit your YouTube channel. One thing I'll actually post right now, if I remember, is to show you a link of my external traffic. My external traffic actually comes from Facebook, YouTube, my external traffic comes from Facebook, Google search, and Quora. I think those are my top 3. And that's all because I'm adding value. I'm answering questions and people are finding it helpful. So Quora is another great way. The next is joining Facebook groups. Now, the cool thing with Facebook and Facebook groups is there are a ton of different groups for every single niche, topic, or idea that it's out there. The only bad side or drawback to Facebook is they don't necessarily like affiliate links. So what you need to do is you need to join a Facebook group, and just like Quora and just like Reddit, add value. Someone asks a question within your niche, you answer the question, you provide 2, 3, or 4 paragraphs, and then at the bottom, post your link to your YouTube video, have people click that link to learn a little bit more information, and you'll start gaining traction. From that YouTube video, you can add affiliate links, you can add a landing page, just give them a ton of content, be very helpful, and you'll start gaining traction. Another great way to start affiliate marketing with no subscribers is to start email marketing. One of my biggest regrets in life is that I did not start email marketing sooner. The reason why email marketing is so great is because if someone sees your YouTube video or your post on Facebook, they may see it once and they may never come back and find you again. But if you start sending people to your landing page and you start collecting email addresses, you can follow up with them over and over again over the course of 6 months or 3 months or whatever you decide. Start email marketing as soon as you start affiliate marketing. That should be the pairing. You learn one thing about affiliate marketing, learn something about email marketing, because you will be able to grow your business faster once you get a handle on email marketing. So I definitely urge you, if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, learn email marketing. It's a great way to grow your business. There's just a number of different things that you can do within email marketing to make good money online passively. The next thing that you can do as a beginner to affiliate marketing with no subscribers is to upload your videos directly to LinkedIn. Now, one thing with LinkedIn is the videos must be less than 10 minutes. So if you have a 9-minute video, you have a shorter video, you have maybe like a snippet that you can upload, create snippets and upload them to LinkedIn. Most people think that LinkedIn is about finding a job, but in reality, LinkedIn's all about growing your brand. If you have a business that you're launching, if you have a brand that you want to increase awareness, start engaging in LinkedIn. Also, if you're doing this as a part-time job, if you're doing this on the side, LinkedIn is a great way to show your skills and ability. Think about it. You're creating YouTube videos. That is public speaking. That is content creation. That is getting in front of a camera. These are skills that are transferable and employable or hireable. If you're looking to move out of your current situation, if you're looking, let's say you work fast food, for example. I worked at Burger King. I worked at White Castle. If you're looking to move out of there and you want to show that you have skills, show them on LinkedIn. Create a LinkedIn page, create a LinkedIn account, and create YouTube videos and post them on LinkedIn. People will find you. You won't believe the number of people that contact me just because I uploaded a video on LinkedIn. These don't even have to be unique videos. These can be portions of YouTube videos that you've already created. Make sure that you take advantage of LinkedIn. Again, in the description, you can add in an opt-in page. You can add in your website. You can add in an affiliate offer. Do this. Most people aren't taking advantage of LinkedIn. It's a great opportunity to grow your business and grow your brand. So that's next, LinkedIn. Another way is to find and join relevant Discord servers. So Discord is basically like a chat, we'll call it, if you're not familiar with it. It's almost like a messenger where people that have the similar interests will post content or ideas, and you can add value, you can answer questions. I'm in a number of YouTube Discord servers, and basically they just post links and they offer help They talk about different thumbnails at work, their experiences, gaining subscribers. Go in there and add value. Be helpful. People will check out your channel and eventually become subscribers, and you'll get followers and people that want to purchase your affiliate product. So Discord is another great way. Another great way is to post your content on social media. So basically what I do is once a YouTube video goes live, I post it on Twitter, I post it in my Facebook, on my main page, on my business page, and then different relevant Facebook pages. And I also post it on Instagram. I have gained a number of followers doing this process. Now it sounds like a tedious process, but in reality, it takes probably 10 minutes of your time to post it on the different networks. I use the same images, I use the same links, I just copy and paste and upload, and away I go. I have gained a number of followers, I've gained traction just by following this small, quick process. As long as you add in relevant hashtags, people will find you. I was actually shocked when I started doing this on Instagram. If you look at my Instagram page, I believe it's Alston Godbolt. The only thing I post on there are my YouTube images, my thumbnails for my YouTube videos, and people are following. So definitely consider that if you're looking to grow your subscriber base, if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing. Also, if you want to know everything that I know about affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description. In addition, you will get a free email marketing guide by entering your email address, and you also learn everything that I know about affiliate marketing. So definitely do that. Click that first link in the description if you want to learn everything that I know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.